Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your English period, children. Children, in our previous class, that is in the first day of the class after the Shera holidays, we have started with our annual term, right? हम सब ने annual term की तरफ शुरुआत कर दी है ना? Now today, children, we will be proceeding towards the course or to the topic that we have started in our previous class. So, can you tell me which topic did we start in the last class? Well, yes, you are absolutely correct. From the literature book, from your Magic Lantern book, we have read a poem. Yes. आप मुझे बता सकेंगे पोएम किस बारे में थी? Yes, it was about a garden. And which season? Yes, it was about the season of spring. So spring season कब आता है? After winter season. Can you tell me what happens in the spring season? The trees are full of new leaves and flowers. Yes. And the birds, they sing, right? Everybody, the entire environment is very nice. Why? Because the climate in spring season, the weather in spring season is very pleasant, right? It's neither very hot nor very cold, right? So that's why spring is called as the queen of the season, right? Rani hai wo seasons ki, right? So children, I have given you a homework to learn the poem. In fact, to by heart the poem. So hope that you have done that, right? So if you have done it, let's then once again revise the poem. Okay? Are you all ready to sing the poem with me? If you are ready to rhyme the poem with me, then you have to be louder. Okay? इतनी जोर से आपको मेरे साथ बोलना है जिससे आपकी आवाज, आप अपने घर पर हैं लेकिन मुझ तक पहुंचनी चाहिए, ठीक है? अगर मुझ तक नहीं पहुंची तो इट मीन्स कि आप जोर से नहीं बोल रहे, और उसकी आवाज तभी मेरे तक पहुंचेगी जब वो लाउडली जोर से राइम को मेरे साथ बोल रहा होगा, ठीक है? सो 1 2 and 3, let's start the poem Spring Garden. Right. So here is my little garden. Chalo, come on. I am hearing you all. Here is my little garden. Some seeds I'm going to sow. Some seeds I'm going to sow. Here is my spade to dig the ground. Come on, come on. मेरे को सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहा आपकी आवाज. Here is my spade to dig the ground. And here is my handy hoe. Great. Yes, I can hear you now. Come on, once again. Here is my little garden. Some seeds I'm going to sow. Here is my spade to dig the ground. Here is my handy hoe. Very nice. Come on. Now, next lines. Come on. Ready? Okay, I should be able to hear you. ठीक है, मुझे आप सबकी आवाज आ रही है. Great. Keep it on. Here is the big round yellow sun. The sun warms everything. Come on, once again. Here is the big round yellow sun. The sun warms everything. Here are the rain clouds in the sky. The birds will start to sing. Great! Here is the big round yellow sun. The sun warms everything. Here are the rain clouds in the sky. The birds will start to sing. Very good. Now let's start the last 4 lines, okay? Little plants will wake up soon and lift their sleepy heads. Come on. Little plants will wake up soon and lift their sleepy heads. Little plants will grow and grow in their, come on, in their little Warm earth? Beds. Very good. Give a clap for yourself. You did very nice. Well done, children. आप सबने learn किया है. Now, next time on Monday, I am going to take the Zoom class, and on Monday I am going to ask you one by one. So you have to sing the rhyme the way I have rhymed the poem for you. The same way you have to rhyme it. So on Monday, maybe it's your turn. So you need to be ready for it. Okay? So children, now today we are going to start with the notebook work, right? In our previous class, we have learned the poem. I explained you the meaning also of the poem, right? मैंने आपको मीनिंग भी समझाया था कि पोएट ने कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया है अपने गार्डन के बारे में. स्प्रिंग सीजन आने वाला है एंड हाउ द पोएट फील्स दैट हाउ द पोएट कैन sow the seeds, and then what will happen after sowing the seeds. What things are required to grow the plant? Well, water, sunlight and soil, right? So that's why the poet has digged the ground and sowed the seed, and then the sun is there, rain, the clouds that bring rain, they are also there in the sky. So together the seed is going to get sunlight, and at the same time whenever it is required, the seed is also going to get water, right? So if the seed gets everything that it needs to grow, so what is going to happen? Soon the seeds will grow into a plant, right? So this is the poem of Spring Garden, right? Now children, today we are going to start with the notebook work. So yes, now let me tell you that how and what way you have to prepare a new notebook. Okay. So I'm sure कि आपके old notebooks में जो आपने अभी तक notebook में work कर रहे थे, you are left with only few pages. आपके बहुत कम ही पेजेस रहे होंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा पेजेस तो नहीं बचे होंगे. So you can use that notebook for your rough work. Okay? प्रैक्टिस के लिए, रिविजन के लिए, मैम जब टेस्ट कुछ रिविजन करा रही है तो उसके लिए भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? For term 2, you may make a new notebook. ठीक है? I will prefer to make a new notebook. आप चाहें तो अगर ओल्ड नोटबुक में बहुत सारे पेजेस रह गए हैं, अगर आपकी ओल्ड नोटबुक में बहुत पेजेस हैं बच्चे, तो देन यू डोंट नीड टू मेक इट. लेकिन अगर कुछ ही पेजेस रह गए हैं, then you can make a new notebook for term 2. ठीक है? term 2 के लिए आप नया नोटबुक बना लीजिएगा, और जैसे आपने नोटबुक में जैसे अपना नेम लिखा था, you have covered your notebook, right? Like nicely you have covered it, you have written your name by labeling it, and then आप जैसे इंडेक्स को फिल करते थे, the way you used to fill the index, इसी तरह से आपको इंडेक्स भी फिल करना है. ठीक है? I hope that I am clear to everyone. So now let's start the notebook work. Here now let me share my screen to you all. And here it is. So we are going to start with notebook work. Now here you can see, just give me a second beta. There is some error. Yeah. Okay. Now here it goes. So children, before starting the notebook work, let's once again revise the poem. Once again, okay? So can you just now sing the song once again with me? Now you can also see the pictures, relevant pictures related to the poem, okay? So the name of the poem is Spring Garden. So let's start. Here is my little garden. Some seeds I'm going to sow. And here is my spade to dig the ground. Here is my handy hoe. Here is the big round yellow sun. The sun warms everything. Here are the rain clouds in the sky. The birds will start to sing. Little plants will wake up soon and lift their sleepy heads. Little plants will grow and grow in their little warm earth beds. Right, children? So, now let's start the notebook work. Right? So, now I will explain you how you have to make your notebook or how you have to do it. So, first, before we start any work, we always start the work by filling the index page, right? So first of all, we are going to see that how we are supposed to write down in the index page. So if you are having a new notebook, you will start from the top of the index page, and if those who are already having the old notebooks and they have left with many pages in that, they can fill the index from the next page. I will show you how you can do it. Just give me a second. Yes children, so here I wanted to tell you, अगर आपके पास न्यू नोटबुक आप बना रहे हैं तब तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, आप फर्स्ट पेज से ही इंडेक्स पेज से आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं इंडेक्स लिखना। लेकिन जो बच्चे अपने पुरानी नोटबुक में उन्होंने थिक नोटबुक लिया था और बहुत सारे पेजेस रह गए, तो आप क्या करेंगे, देन आप उस केस में कर सकते हैं इंडेक्स पेज, फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पेज में आपने लिखा था, अब आप टर्म 2 को सेकेंड इंडेक्स पेज से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, PT2 ऐसे लिख के सेकेंड इंडेक्स पेज से आप फिल करना स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो नाउ हियर लेट मी शो यू। ओके, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकेंड एंड here I show you. See, this is how you are supposed to fill it. So the columns are like this, like serial number, date, title, page number and teacher signature. So आपको first line में ऐसे लिखना है term 2, because we are proceeding towards the term 2. and हम सबसे पहले कौन सा किस पार्ट का, टर्म 2 में किस पार्ट का हम कोर्स कर रहे हैं, वी आर डूइंग द कोर्स ऑफ PT2। ठीक है, पीरियोडिक टेस्ट 2 का हम कोर्स कर रहे हैं। सो आप टर्म 2 ऐसे लिखेंगे और उसके बाद ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे P फुल स्टॉप T फुल स्टॉप 2, दैट इज PT2। okay, and then in the next line you are going to write down number 1, serial number 1. In the column of date you will write down today's date, that is 29.10.20. so the first 29 is today's date, 10th is the month, that is October month, and 20 is the year 2020, right? Then in the column of title you are going to write down the name of the topic, that is poem Spring Garden. Poem Spring Garden. And then you don't need to write down page number and teacher signature. These columns will remain empty. Okay, only just you have to fill the 3 columns, that is serial number, date and the title. That's it. Okay, now after filling the index, open the new page of your English notebook. Open a fresh new page, and in your first page you are going to write down homework. Okay, you are going to write down a homework. So at the top you will first write down HW, homework, and then in the first line you will write down the heading, and the heading is draw and color the picture of a garden. So what you are supposed to do in the homework? Well, you are supposed to draw and color the picture of a garden. ठीक है, ये पोएम किसके बारे में है, गार्डन के बारे में है। सो आप एक गार्डन की, ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन यू कैन ड्रॉ इन दिस पेज। ओके, सो विथ आप गार्डन में बेसिकली क्या होता है, यू कैन सी फ्लावर्स, यू कैन सी बटरफ्लाइज, ट्रीज, right? So you can draw that. Well, let me just show you an example. Here, see, this I have drawn. So I am showing you this example. This picture I have drawn in my notebook. Okay, So I have drawn the picture of a garden like this. You can draw it in a different way, not necessary that you are supposed to draw the same picture what I have drawn. I just felt like drawing this picture, so I have drawn it like this. I'll just show you here in my notebook. Just give me a second. And here I show you. Okay. I'll just show you how I have drawn the picture. Now you can see this. The same picture which I have showed to you. This is how I have drawn the picture in my notebook. Okay. So you will write down homework here, and then you will write down in the first line, draw and color the picture of a garden. And this is how I have drawn the picture. You can see it nicely, I hope so, right? And I have clicked the photo of this same picture, and the same thing is there in your PDF that you can see here right now on your screen. Okay, so I will show you one more example. This I haven't drawn it yet, but it was drawn by one of the students. Okay, so I'm just showing you one more picture of a garden. So even you can draw this also, or simply you can just draw flowers and butterflies. That also resembles as a garden. So I have shown you two examples, that is example number 1 and example number 2, which if you feel that any of this picture you can draw, if you like it you can draw it, otherwise you can draw the picture of a garden from anywhere or from your own imagination if you wish to. Okay, so hope children you have written the homework. Now proceeding towards our classwork, let's now start the classwork in the next page. So please now come to the next page and write down today's date and classwork at the top of the page. So at the top end corner, you are going to write down today's date that I have already told you. So please write down the date. And at the center top, you are going to write down C.W. That is classwork. Date and classwork. Both the things are supposed to be mentioned, right? Now, after writing down the date and classwork, in the first line, okay children, in the first line you are going to write down the heading, that is the name of the poem. Poem Spring Garden. This is how you are supposed to write it, and you can underline it with color pencil if you wish to. Okay. So please now write down the heading POEM poem Spring Garden. SPRING spring and GARDEN garden, spring garden. So now after writing down the heading, you are supposed to write down 6 lines of the poem. So one by one here we are going to start writing. So please start writing with the first line of the poem. That is, here is my little garden, comma. Always remember बेटा, आप जब भी पोएम लिख रहे हैं, पोएम लिखने के समय पंक्चुएशंस का, पंक्चुएशन मतलब क्या होता है मीनिंग, पंक्चुएशन का मीनिंग होता है हम सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करने के बाद जब लास्ट में जैसे फुल स्टॉप, कॉमा, क्वेश्चन मार्क या एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क जो हम यूज करते हैं उसे हम पंक्चुएशंस कहते हैं, सिंबल्स, राइट? सो पंक्चुएशंस आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको पोएम में पंक्चुएशंस को भी ध्यान याद रखना है. आप कभी भी पंक्चुएशंस को इधर उधर नहीं कर सकते, चेंज नहीं कर सकते. So please write down the first line, that is, here is my little garden, comma. Now after writing down the first line, एक लाइन को, फर्स्ट लाइन को उसी फर्स्ट लाइन में लिखनी है, ठीक है? सेकेंड लाइन में दूसरी लाइन लिखनी है. Some seeds I am. What is the meaning of am? I, then apostrophe and am. Apostrophe का मीनिंग क्या होता है? बिलोंगिंग बताता है, ठीक है? सो I am मीन्स I am. Am इसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं I am. right? So some seeds I'm going to sow, and after that full stop. अगर आपका ये सेंटेंस एक लाइन में नहीं आएगा बेटा तो आप थर्ड लाइन में लिखेंगे, लेकिन नेक्स्ट लाइन को आप नीचे से लिखेंगे, उसी लाइन में कंटिन्यू नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो हियर इज माय लिटिल गार्डन कॉमा some seeds I'm going to sow, full stop. Now the third line, here is my spade to dig the ground, comma. So please write it down in your notebook. Make sure beta that your handwriting is superb, just like you. What is the meaning of here? यहाँ, here is my little garden. ये है मेरा little garden. Some seeds I am going to sow. कुछ बीज मैं बोने वाला हूँ. Sow का meaning बोना, right? Here is my spade to dig the ground. ये है मेरा spade. What is the meaning of spade? मैंने अभी आपको spade की पिक्चर भी दिखाई थी, right? So spade जिसे हम फावड़ा कहते हैं, which is used to dig the ground. मिट्टी को खोदने में या कंस्ट्रक्शन जहाँ वर्क होता है वहाँ आपने देखा होगा कि वर्कर्स स्पेड को यूज करते हैं, राइट? चीज़ों को मिक्स करने में, कंस्ट्रक्ट करने में, सीमेंट को मिक्स करने के लिए, सैंड सीमेंट को मिक्स करने के लिए वर्कर्स यूज करते हैं, राइट? सो हियर इज माय स्पेड टू डिग द ग्राउंड. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिग? खोदना. एंड ग्राउंड मीन्स जमीन. Now next, here is my handy hoe. Here is my handy hoe. So what is the meaning of handy hoe? Handy means which can be carried. आराम से जिसे हम पकड़ सकते हैं, handy है. And hoe is also again an instrument, okay, that is used to dig the ground. और वापस से सॉइल को हम वापस डिग करने के बाद, गड्ढा खोदने के बाद जब मिट्टी को वापस डालनी होती है तो आपको हो की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. ओके, सो इट इज़ यूज्ड बाय द गार्डनर्स, बाय अदर वर्कर्स ऑल्सो. हो की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट लाइन, हियर इज द बिग comma round yellow sun. Okay, just give me a second beta. The meaning, the here, just give me a second. There's some mistake and I am going to just rectify it. Okay, and here it is done. Just give me a second and I'll just show you. Okay, just a second. Hope that now things are clear to you. Yeah, now you can just see there was some error which I have rectified it. Now you can do it. Okay, here is the big round yellow sun. So यहाँ आप देख सकते हो big round. I think big का meaning सबको पता है, बड़ा. Round means you know circle. Yellow means it's a color, name of a color. And what is the meaning of sun? Sun? Suraj, right? Surya. So here is the big round yellow sun and then colon. The sun warms everything. The sun warms everything. What does the sun do? The sun warms everything. है ना? सूरज बहुत गर्म होता है. It's a hot ball of fire. So if we stand in the sunlight for long, we feel hot, right? So here is the big round yellow sun. The sun warms everything. And how many lines of the poem we have written? Can you just count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, we are only supposed to write down 6 lines. That's it. Okay. So you have to just write down 6 lines of the poem, and after completing the 6 lines you are supposed to draw a line. What does drawing the line indicates? Well, the line indicates that now you have completed your work, right? So Children, you are supposed to write down the 6 lines of the poem. Okay? Here is my little garden, comma. Some seeds I am going to sow, full stop. Here is my spade to dig the ground. Here is my handy hoe, full stop. Here is the big round yellow sun, semicolon. The sun warms everything, full stop. This much you are supposed to write, okay? Done? Great. Now children, do not worry if your work remains incomplete. Do not worry about it because I am going to send the PDF of the same work in your WhatsApp group. So you can check the work, you can complete your work, and yes, don't forget to complete your homework too. I am sure that I will at 12 today I will see lot many drawings, beautiful gardens. You all, I know that you are going to draw it, so I'll be eagerly waiting for it. And yes, today's homework is that you are supposed to by heart the poem, plus at the same time you will learn these spellings. Okay, so these 6 lines, okay, only I have just told you to learn 6 lines. 6 lines को बाय हार्ट करना है विथ स्पेलिंग. ठीक है, मुझे स्पेलिंग के साथ आपको लर्न करके सुनाना है. कब? मंडे को. सो आई एम गिविंग यू सो मच ऑफ टाइम. तब तक आपको लर्न अच्छे से हो जाना चाहिए स्पेलिंग के साथ, और मैं मंडे को आपको पूछूंगी. तो हो सकता है कि आपका टर्न आ जाए. ठीक है, कैसे मैं पूछूंगी? जूम क्लास के थ्रू. जूम क्लास में आप रहेंगे. आई मे आस्क योर नेम एंड आई विल टेल यू टू राइम द पोएम 6 lines. So you have to tell it, and then I will ask spellings also. Okay, so be very attentive and at the same time be prepared for it, right? So that's it for today, children. Okay, that's it for today, and we will meet again on Monday through our Zoom class. Till that time, keep on learning and complete your work, and have a great day ahead. Happy learning, children.